When you picture oral arguments at the Ohio Supreme Court, this is what it typically looks like.
How many other defendants in jail did she visit to make sure that they understood their rights?
For this week's sessions, things were atypical. There were no spectators in seats, no attorneys at the podium, and no justices on the bench.
To think we were going to be, hundreds of us out of the office for weeks and weeks at a time, and then have to carry on, justice of the court. I really never gave it any thought prior to this the virus pandemic.
Given the social distancing demands of the coronavirus, the Supreme Court's proceedings were held remotely.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome.
The justices teleconferenced from their respective chambers, while attorneys presented cases either from home or their office.
I feel really fortunate that we have the internet right now, and it's working because it's so easy to communicate virtually.
Instead of seeing everyone in the same room physically during Ohio government television's broadcast, all the participants shared a video chat room piloted by this man.
My history is in coordination, event coordination.
Having facilitated live webinars with upwards of 500 people, Supreme Court Judicial Systems analyst Michael Woods was tasked with organizing a cyber courtroom, managing the justices internally, and preparing for a variety of obstacles externally.
Everybody has a different type of computer, different type of operating system, different networks, different internet speeds that they're paying for at home.
Woods worked with dozens of others for weeks to address all the IT variables.
Everyone has different experiences, and when we're into something that's new to most of us, not listening to some of those potential experiences can cost us, significantly on just missing something.
After 7 cases over 2 days, the court conducted justice via video conference. Now it looks to build upon that base for future hearings, since this could be a new normal during these unusual times.
There's a lot of hands behind the scenes and a lot of people making that successful, and thankfully, we have a lot of good people and a good team doing that.
I'm Chaba Sukost for Court News Ohio.